we must not forget what has been done in the past.
That's right.
Now you're making sure, say, cabinet directive, say, the investigation, the forensic audit, and the prosecution should go on. No, that should be on the your friend saying top of priority. Because at the end of the day, see, it will be like washing your feet. Abra wash your socks. Oh yes, because Alaska, my catchers always circumstances lead ya my ne. Cocoa syndicated loan, no, be free and sir, because you started 2015, 2016, 2016, 2017, 2017, 2018, no, we were getting 1.8 billion, 1.7 billion, 1.6 billion, 1.3, 1.3. Yes, until 2023, when they told us point blank, say, at the same year, na Ken Ofori Atta Bonkwasia Bosinya ma Ghana na Nkasa na to be more Bosinya, how much more cocoa board? And at that early stage, we had 600 million. Alaska 600 million to be into cocoa at the time. So they had to take a loan from your friend saying Bank of Ghana. Sa debt na ye kwa service no. Bank of Ghana had to intervene by giving cocoa board $70 million. And sa no mutimi kutua sa aka no. And sa eka no nyina no ene ete cocoa board books so. They raise, yes, 10-year bond. Bond, no, yes, a cocoa bond or some bond. We need say that some bond be. No, it's cocoa bond something. Today, you know, a city in the books of cocoa board, a 10-year bond. I will raise it.
About cocoa board account.
That's how what the cat. And then you go to Kwanyam fast when it comes to procurement.
Hey,
your friend is saying cocoa saxy. A month for a receipt invoices. Na you two moka. A man for a receipt certificate for your friends 70,000 your friends saying bills of due sack. Now one raise here we are now. Yes, so Ghana and Kwan will be to me raise we are or Kofa the Abadenia mine near Chianaka. Oh, that was the normal practice. San Neman or the bus store no. Now store now issue fake receipts at Nemanaba because at their audits now. Your first finance minister, that is what they were doing. Maybe I will be documents. Yet to make us a supply store 100,000 metric tons of aburo. Na kwabrania kofa 30,000 metric tons supply. Na yetua no ho kanyina. Now store na say o receive we no. Actually, ade was o yensa ka 100,000 ni nyina.
But meanwhile,
nothing has been supplied. So this is the kind of nema. Na ekoso cocoa board. Enti me se yapese ya de bia ma manfo hu certain seriousness. Alaska sa procurement na ekoso who gave those authorization, especially at the time of buying Owusu power. Na ya makwabrane say on supply 70,000. Knowing say the previous one na ya caso been supply 75,000 no. Or the 400 pen buy.
And he mentioned that all kind say yeah.
Kwabrane so de abana o ja no port because anya na dwuma so na clear ese cocoa board na clear na cocoa board so enfa no ho but ono because no the most interesting thing is sika na ya de ko no ye betu ama. That is the most important thing. Say item no be ba o mo. That is why I ECG near no ka port no.
And some crofree omo perpetrate this fraudulent way and nam.
Yeah. Because who saw mine no we say scene no no betimi aka me Alaska now who say scene no no say say man because that's exactly what happened at ECG. They gave out contract to multiple people to supply things. I know the day no what the certificate I did to ya can say for no it will be given to you. Hey now no their course so audit no more yeah no.
That's right.
What they did in this Alaska. Yeah, the contract amount say kwa ya wa ho. Na make sure mo na ya maw ya wo sa your friends are be friend your friends IPC interim your friends payment certificate.
Okay.
Some friends say yeah the contract man say yeah. That's what person you tia wo car. Obi kwa kofa the project manager and now say engineer bia oba be value work na hu say last year adwuma na wie ya ka say onye table wa ya wie. So the engineer, the project manager will issue a certificate. That is the interim payment certificate. Not or the amount na the kwa company pana. Offer say ya adwuma man no. Ndi the bakro hu say oh once a project manager na certify say why you want to win it? Let's go ahead. Then the company will do the authorization and as a form. Then when the money is transferred to the bank also issue the bank transfer advice. I actually say money has been received. Sometimes when I have physical cash, all these go through in the form of electronic cash payment.
BTA.
Yes. So Alaska, Sanyama way at any point in time, where fake transactions are there also. Kwabena Agyapong Banesaka certificate. Kwabena Agyapong bank transfer advice has been issued. It is a BTA way now. Also 1 billion Ghana cedis are related to BTAs. And the rest of the money, 50 point something a year your friend saying IPC. Yabakasa abayin de yaka. Yabaka say because of one district, one factory, this abayin is private sector led.
That's right.
And the last couple also see factory. Kwaji loan. When I was on abayin betia.
I bet you the interest.
Interest. Na kwabrane amam from kwaji loan. And now I know modo and I'm so bank way obi kwaji loan interest in yes the bank account and as for banks. Not know is a bank and a cry no being a business that can pass when your account to cram money per crop.
And that is NPP.
Yes.
That's right.
On 1 year go. So Alaska me, that is why I'm for bo fuse prosecution or munhu am for bo anya hio. Because sometimes you understand that within 1 year it is almost impossible to achieve full criminal prosecution.
Exactly.
But people want to see certain energy. Yes, people want to see people being prosecuted. People want to know how and their cost because sometimes some are making what's in China about
That's right.
And in some amount for can say in Tidian, Munchi or Moe. That is the normal language among for Becan. So I think that
which legitimate.
Very legitimate. Hey, in Alaska, baby, I have a dream. Whenever you are in government and away are buying. Never take position against the people, or you will never win.
Okay.
How do you be at war with them? You can't. At a point, even you have to find a way to balance things. Anger no free bar. You need to situate the whole thing. Money pana wadwin by hano I said no don't any respect for people you know their tea office na adwin so no mind there but office in your we are just a temporary occupant and Akufo Addo to feel
I former president.
Yes or can say obi apa home fee no what I say sa no obi we minister we hwan when am soldier for do wetin ti wadwin so kokoti
me say na say na nado ebe tweet e wo social media masa we call comment section now I'm for bunny beer.
Yeah.
The dinner time.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes, I'm not here. And I'm because we you see the power is indeed transcend. So whenever you occupy position, Alaska, you need to mellow, do the right thing and leave print, your name, leave it behind. Sikana be we are now scared we are Sika Okroma no be here when you be that. Eh? Can you still become a billionaire? Alaska. Some of these things and I think we need to understand some of these things. So it is very, very important, sir. Some near way are coso various ways and Nina can who be soon and Amagan and near lose trust and confidence in democratic institutions.
Right.
Because in the sub region to a near look at how a man for NG democracy in Tumbim. Because they realize we will set up the physical framework, which is the government structure. The institutions will be there. But in terms of functionality, they are all useless.
That's right.
Because people hide behind these institutions. People hide behind these institutional guidelines and laws and as for them to execute personal diabolic agenda. And at the end of the day, the same law no seek to protect them. For instance, assembly investigation we united court no. Judge na assembly obedi create media assembly clear to wash that bible so na obi akura we fi assembly no. And that was what I'm saying sir. For this thing to work perfectly, the Attorney General, the government, and the AG, the Chief Justice need to work together to ensure, sir, they are the same and the energy level is the same thing. They are responding to the cause and the demands of the people. So if prosecution is going on, it must be swift and immediate. Sir, Ghana for that momentum will be sustained. Because the very moment this momentum drops, people will go back and begin to question, say, and a democracy crown for Sobena also. So the very moment people begin to ask that question, it means that your democracy and the prospect is endangered. Because anybody at all at any point in time can just do anything. And when the uncertainty has begin to hover around democracy, nobody is safe in that particular country. So I think that these are some of the things that we need to, you know, avail our mind to and begin to do things differently. I am not this old kind of way. Oh, Sani, you know, sa GBC for star, you know. We were here in 1957. But they forget that the new media is taking over.
I know why GBC.
Alaska. So I think that you see, we need to begin to redefine politics. Na ya man for enya trust I was state institutions mu na ya man for nya ada ya fence gidie wo man yin mu say eto de de obi abetima betray na nya ne man. But Alaska, we live in a country where you cannot trust state institution, where you cannot even trust people in a reputable position. Now, for instance, Akraba where we school no kopa adwuma ye na kwabrane so oje na bribe. Can you trust and adwuma no okoya ni state institution o? So can you trust the state? Nipa no message be na communicate and nipa na woje na bribe no some message, you know, it's not they find localized. Men kind of say enyo no nkwan na beti o sika no kwakobo na maami amane okwakobo na papa amane ne papa so ni sika no so kwakofro obi. And these three people, you know, get to know or they could ya bribe because yeah or kwa abanye dwuma mu.
And agreement
that is the far-reaching consequences of some of these things I'm for value on my mind too. So for me, I think the Cocoa board, they make me account at this point in time. They need to make sure, say, people who have to be prosecuted must be prosecuted. And I don't know who in the news say Deputy CEO and saying I'm not damn TV so I'll come back. Car crash and the car crash that's one.
I always say near Babanos or the car.
See, as another or 10 years.
I did see another car Nisi, Yard for security man, security man number 5.
And the honor we are all cobbaying and a cocoa board cast in the field.
I say no person auto.
So Alaska, that is our mind. So I think we need to get serious as people. Now you making sure, say, nipo mafa or mine home mudidi bronya no. And yes, that be a Sudan. At some point in time, Sudan was a very decent model nation like ours.
That's right.
If you go to Niger and Nema, Burkina Faso was a man for air fly way. Burkina Faso. There is no central hold in that country. That country is broken. But because of social media, and I'm saying a man for don't believe in democracy, you know, you see that there is certain affection for the young man there. And people think everything is okay in Burkina. No. Burkina is a broken nation. Alaska, there is no central hold. And it is a man for nya adaje no more withdraw from this democratic trust. Na ebemu say na. That is the state we go into. So also who the model of what we will be waiting for. Look at Niger, look at Libya. And might be any central hold no Alaska Samayano. Nobody will be safe in that particular country.
Once a very peaceful
yes. So for me, I think we need to get our priorities right. I said this is a time-changing moment in our governance system. This Mahamadu administration is the last leg our Ghana democracy agenda. So, and to me, I'm Papa name who Akufo Addo my Ghana for real. But the very moment you create a vacuum, whatever somebody feel it, you know, and your concern, you can't control it. So people can fill it with propaganda, with whatever that they want. At the end of the day, you know, that is what people will get to know, and that will become way. So it is always important to, you know, get in touch with the people at any point in time. Like because this cocoa board issue here starts here, Alaska. The only issue I know say the cocoa farmer no benya ni sika yateso.
That's right.
That was the only issue, and that was because of what was happening at the war stage. Because my culture said, and I'm so over the years, young boy, a better yintino. Cocoa near Tia intimate yanyanfe. Alaska just a okotoma ubi. The Nippon or Tonaka say, Namatona wouldn't because Wabo Breya and cat was a cocoa na. Once some good ship from Saudi carbon thing, and at least would be over to me add the value to it. I know the day, no, adding value, no. we make you I'm what make it determination how much you want to sell it.
That's right.
But because I want me add the value to it, you know. The partner auto beans, you know, no so had the other buyer word, you know, so I can say Mama say and Mama say into what turn what the hour turn won't me put price on it, but the turn moment that counts as a turn say. So you see say you're more every year. And this a price no tone so more so we are then about tower say and about you know at the early stages of the Mahamadu administration the government could have given farmers Christmas. So Charlie, this is my first time first year near cocoa near this one the war stage, but as government and I'll try as much as I can to say make me cushion moka granty or matter so crana don't worry my tonesa or any because the entity the sector cocoa board nanke bejina how I say jumano ye fence sa cocoa board ye de yabudi ababra Boakye man name nyina say ya there is nothing a cocoa board betime gina aka say me so wasene say despite ya take we ni so no ma menya ne yie ma because Alaska cocoa board no ready no otua cocoa ho ka. The last time I told you say there was a deficit of about 333,768 metric tons, 1,000 metric tons of cocoa. Kwabrane kwaji hu sikadi ye Jáil ho. Price no na ye forward locked price na omo say wunya sa cocoa na kamunu de komani wura na wo de komano e wo $2,600. At the time I water cocoa no so no price no at the time was somewhere around 3,000. You find that 3,100. In the Alaska, won't even cocoa farmer no can say can I yet no or more ton of 2,600 mon farmer 2,600. You have to buy it at 3,100 at a time, then you go and sell it at 2,600. And do ton cocoa bag back they supply in the last year no. Cocoa bag back could be a supply be your boka $494.
I was so.
And to the pay for calculator, now bought $494 times 333,786. Now here's Benya. I can't cry now we through over 1 million. That is Kwabrane car. And one sector a cow. Jaguho here's a cocoa board a finance. Against the backdrop, the financing model crowd would be. That is why the government resorted to the buyer model financing, 80-20. Enti no so no nipa no say Alaska me must kase cocoa brema say minimum number of cocoa me
That's right.
Enti say big bro so na say okasa won to na man no so no ga cocoa board nkwa na ho kwan so to cocoa kwabrane ntimi nkoto cocoa mfa nko ba bia. And this a buyer na kase oh me pay 800,000 metric tons. Now wo man no cocoa farmers no produce over 20 yemfa say omo produce even 100,000 and I say more than yes say me must buy na say me pay yemfa say 600,000 metric tons of cocoa this year and who sika na me de makoto o man no cocoa farmers let me produce over cocoa 1 million. I bro the buyer no ton so now you have to find money and pay for buy because who monopoly unkwa na to cocoa.
Right.
Cocoa farmer no kowe yeye I don't even from good ship so cotton because you have the monopoly to go and sell. So me can't wait to understand that say the cocoa board situation is here. And at the early stages Mahama buy na cocoa no at the stage more than 7,000 true to his promise or my cocoa farmers you say 70%.
That's right.
It translated to 5,100 at the time no dollar near 10 cedis 50 pesos or something to the times here ubenya 501,000 divided by 16. That is why ubenya say 33,000 and later or signed the toast man call 3,600. Now last time unfortunately and as anyama we shall say AC na cocoa price and drop here then NPP for argument and so Abana kase obato cocoa no the price in the by all means on it the same, but the question is at the time na cocoa no a call ya could do $10,000 at the war stage now be say sign and dem cocoa farmer no and tinipana na what ye jinem say all your advocacy for cocoa farmer no a cheaty cocoa farmer no for 8 good years. What the farmer deserved no they never gave to the farmer. But president the promise no make here no what deliver the only difference a woman said dollars what yaba from now last dollars besutuba forma e bo economy no se se amono ka say your debt is what you have over 100 billion.
That's right.
Nti anon so no e positive in one direction, and then omo importers in for are jubilating because prices of items in for the world stage in Eswati because of dollar. And port, most of the your friends are taxes, you know, and Gyamfi, apart from those insane taxes na Akufo Addo de gu ha Mahamadu Bawumia year through no. It has been the same, but because the dollar I drop it down, you know, and then yeah, the report price, you know, is far better than it used to be. Ningi na positive signs. What I say? And the Kwabrane jetu no hu say obaya propaganda because us I don't know. Na ye dirty propaganda no more here because
right.
And we can do comparative analysis. As I hear baby a Ghana genesis here now here baby a Cote d'Ivoire genesis because you can't cocoa production. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire and you produce 60 to 70% of global you fancy cocoa way. Alaska. Ghana there are there almost 2,500 currently. Cote d'Ivoire as at first March upwards. Omo ton what they saying 1,500. Me better ba catch you say yes sir your Mahama apejare diem the call 90% of the FOB price. No ye not been say or pay 70%. Who will be paying a 1,500. I sat here and said it on this platform.
Yes.
And today that is the price Cote d'Ivoire is paying. And you see that suddenly the NPP has gone quiet with their dirty propaganda.
Exactly.
Since Cote d'Ivoire announced the price, you know, I think your man cannot win them cocoa farm and as all of them are quiet.
So I'll say your Cote d'Ivoire higher Ghana.
Because John Mahama was supposed to pay farmers 1,500 because of what is happening. 1,500. And some never Okroma, but the government had decided that because of Kwanya farmers first almost suffer, and over the years, young treaty or muye. Now the last 8 years, Akufo Addo government first was cheating or even though there has been a drop at the war stage there, but Mekase may go 70-30. It will affect the farmer. There will be no incentive or motivation so being quite cocoa farm.
90-10.
Ya tam ni nyina na de ama cocoa farmer no. 10 no so ye other incentive ya de to your friends say motor no obode pumpy way no your friends be a fertilizer and several other stuff ni nyina end up going to the cocoa farmer. Enti obiti baby no ye dirty propaganda no be catch yourself aban no mpe farmers asem enu nti na wate cocoa price enya ignorance na sabi bibi adefofro
when anya ignorant anya any da ho but
say na make us say you see we live in a space where some of these dirty political propaganda now always will have a media platform to thrive.
That's right.
That is why the last time na me subjected unkro for no say nipa na betena wanim say oh yeah this kind of propaganda nya botere na bisa no all the nyansa questioners who bisa no na so otimi ya normal wa then you move on.
That's right.
But people were not asking critical questions. All that they were saying is Jamahama Kaso over 7,000. When it is very narrow and very your friend is saying to do that 7,000 when you know said the dollar and the gauge at the time, you know, I drop it by half.
That's right.
Because Alaska said dollar 16 cities. Now a bedroom 10 cities more than 50% reduction.
Exactly.
So it's going to affect everything. And that these people they knew what they were saying. But they didn't know. We were catching us cocoa farmer no your friends also almost 7,000. Now be as we walk school which is anema we are not beginning that they were propaganda. Now your friends and dirty propaganda. Now if the media person and so to honor also allow these people to go through with some of these things. You can't blame them, you understand? So for me, I think it's very important, always, you know, we look forward. I am happy, the Cocoa Board, government releases Sika, the finance minister.
That's right.
Sika no ma releasing, so no. Omomudi can turn cocoa no more turn the old price, you know. That is the money. The deals no cocoa for no more turn. Some of the common farmers, you know.
Okay.
Because you see, you're not careful. These people also take some of these monies, go and pay the new price. Because government catch up, so mom nobody can turn cocoa that no. They deserve the old price.
Okay.
And it will be to cocoa first, no, you can over the old price, not the new price. Because if this education is also not given, a man for the so I debronya.
Okay.
The cocoa back could be between the difference 1,000 Ghana cedis. Free so what did the mechanic say? So depending on when cocoa and when you are being paid, who that time difference the kind of negotiations course you also know the way you're entitled to. If we don't go into some of these things, I think say, and it is very important this educational, the board and other team members and all grounds not trying to engage people to know say sikanaba entino koko no ye baba to kwabrane wa ma ani ankoma koko farmer na hu se sikanaba kwabrane beji sikanda koto o de kwa obikura bekwa koto treasure bill o na sa Ghana wonu say ni pabone for yes sikani nyama. It is always important when you give her the money, you follow to the ground and tell the people say sikanaba. So ukoko unyansanka usika, making sure say you approach ukoko crash or whoever and get your money. Kwa yano yenyeni papa. Situation there, somebody want to take advantage of the situation and also make money out of it. So I think that is it about the cocoa boss situation.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.